Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Shiba Inu using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, there are 4 buttons on the top: send, receive, buy, and trade. Now, if you want to receive cryptos, you can either buy them or receive them. Now tap on the one that you want, and here in the search bar you can type in Shiba Inu, and then it's going to generate you your QR code, and with this QR code you can receive Shiba Inu to your wallet, or you can scan it for yourself if you have a different wallet and transfer it to your Trust Wallet. If you want to send your address to anyone, just tap on copy, and it's going to copy your address and you can send it and receive Shiba Inu this way. Now the second option is a very cool way. The set amount is a feature where you can type in a set amount of Shiba Inu, and it's going to generate you a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive only this specific amount of Shiba Inu, which is a very cool way for transactions or payments. And obviously the third function, the share function, is to share your QR code or address on social media or different sites to receive Shiba Inu this way. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye.